when we talk about you, what describes you the best?
I think I'm a positive, happy-go-lucky, hardworking person. That's
Okay.
it.
जिस तरह से लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, how do you get out of the stress when you are in some kind of stress, और किस तरह से आप अपने आप को मोटिवेट करती हैं?
I think little meditation is very important. If you're feeling stressed, just put on some relaxing, calming sounds and just be with yourself for some time. And also, it's important to talk to people who make you happy, because this distance बोल के हमने इतना एक दूसरे को वो कर दिया है, like scare कर दिया है. So just talk to people who you missing and just FaceTime them. You won't feel कि अच्छा really there's the distance. आप बहुत ज़्यादा बात करेंगे तो आप कोई connection लगेगा, and that thing will bring warmth to your heart. You won't feel like you're missing, because we are not dead. We are all alive, and we just can't step out of our house, which is kind of sad, but it's okay. I mean, we have to see the positive side.
Yeah, totally. So,
Yeah.
what's your favorite pastime?
Well, nowadays I'm watching lots of Netflix, like everybody else. So मुझे कभी इतना time नहीं मिलता था कि I will, finish shows in 2-3 days. पर अब मैं finish कर देती हूँ. जो भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है, I'm just binge watching. So I'm loving that कि मुझे कोई guilt नहीं है. And I'm just, watching that. Other than that, I'm also working out, which I used to find very difficult during my busy schedule, because बहुत physically demanding होता है, shoot and everything. So not every day you can do that. So I'm doing that, which is a good thing. I'm taking care of my hair. I'm taking care of my skin. So small things you do, and दिन उतना लंबा भी नहीं होता जितना हमें लगता है. So I think अगर हम अब पॉजिटिव रहें और अच्छी एक एक चीज करते रहें, कुछ कुछ सीखते रहें, तो दिन निकल जाता है. And maybe we can actually use this time for something productive also,
जी.
like some
Okay.
skill which we wanted to learn or something like that.
अच्छा, अगर और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात की जाए, तो ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट जो आप बेसब्री से उसका इंतजार कर रही हैं और एक फैंस को कोई हिंट देना चाहें उसके बारे में?
My fans know that there are 3 projects in line which were supposed to release this year, and now I really don't know when it's going to be out, because nobody is going to the theaters for a long time. So yeah, let's hope for the best. I have 2 South films in line. I have one Hindi project, which is my Hindi debut, which was supposed to release in April. So lots of things, but I really don't know.
टेलीविजन में आपके किसी क्रश की बात की जाए, तो कौन सा वो बॉलीवुड या हॉलीवुड का स्टार होगा जिसके साथ आप कभी ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करना चाहेंगी?
टेलीविजन में?
या टेलीविजन और बॉलीवुड, और एनीवन इट कुड बी.
Well, I think I'm doing my debut with Abhishek Bajaj, and he's a television actor, and I'm very happy to do my debut with him. Like he's a really sweet guy and very good looking, hard working, and everything. So I think my dream has already been accomplished.
And in
Bollywood, of course, I love Aditya Roy Kapoor amongst the younger lot, and Salman Khan is my ultimate favorite. So yeah.
ओके. और किस तरह का जॉनर होना चाहिए अगर आप उनके साथ काम करेंगी, तो यू माइट बी हैविंग सम और द अदर थॉट कि मैं इस तरह का जॉनर में उनके साथ काम करना चाहूंगी?
I have a dream to work in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. So, it can be like a beautiful love story, like the way he depicts, in that epic zone, that kind of fairy tale epic zone, historic bhi ho sakta hai, periodic bhi ho sakta hai. So that types. I would love to do a film like that.
Okay. Any character that you want to specially do that, or you want to really recreate it, or some ऐसा कोई character आपके जहन में है जो आप चाहती personally कि आप उसको resemble करें?
Well, I really like Aishwarya Rai from Jodha Akbar, from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. I love Kareena Kapoor as well in all of her films, but I think अगर recreate की बात करें तो I would love to do the kind of roles that Aishwarya has done. Very graceful, hard to forget, elegant performances. So yeah, definitely.
Okay. एक rapid fire है, जहाँ पे आपको quick replies करने होंगे. So let's just start that. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you rather give up on music or television for a month?
Music.
Okay. And why
I
you?
love watching TV. Sorry?
Okay. Okay. नहीं, बस कि मैं जानना चाहती थी कि किस लिए.
Okay.
Okay. is there any character you want to portray or live again from the history?
I think Princess Diana.
Okay.
She's a timeless character, so
Mhm.
definitely she's an icon
Okay.
in history. Yeah.
Okay. What are the 3 things in your bucket list post lockdown?
Eating chaat papri, going to my favorite restaurant, like Italian restaurant, and which is Olive, and meeting all of my favorite friends, and yeah, going for like a really dhamakedar, like, you know, event or party or something where I'm just like dancing non-stop with all my favorite people. So definitely.
Okay. Who is your celebrity crush?
Everyone knows Salman and Kareena, like, but if in
Okay.
Hollywood, it would be like J-Lo or like Beyonce or like Ryan
Okay.
Reynolds.
Okay. What what can someone do to gain your attention?
Be intelligent, because a lot of people aren't.
Okay. What does a successful relationship looks like for you?
I think it's great friendship. If you
Mm-hmm.
have very good friendship, very good chemistry, you can share everything with each other. You're completely honest and transparent. You know your
Mm-hmm.
feelings, your desires, your wishes, and you guys understand each other without even saying things. Then that is a really successful relationship.
Okay. Okay. What would you prefer? A candlelight dinner or a walking on a beach?
Beach, for sure. I'm a beach person, totally.
Okay. Who was your first crush and in which class you were?
First crush was Hrithik Roshan,
Okay.
from Kahona Pyar Hai, and yeah, when he did that step, you know, like I was like, bas yahi hai.
Okay. Are you an
Yeah.
early bird these days or a night person?
Nowadays, I've become a night person, but otherwise, I am such an early bird. I love mornings, and I usually sleep by 10:30, 11. But आजकल मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती, so I sleep by 1:30, sometimes 2, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Favorite munchies that you are missing right now?
Munchies. I think I'm missing that popcorn in the movies, you know. Like, I haven't watched a movie in so long. I feel like going and having that honey nut popcorn with like a big ass Coke, and really I'm missing that. Now I know the value of small joys.
Okay. What is your all-time favorite food?
All-time favorite food is chaat, everyone knows. But in terms of cuisine, I love Italian food also. And
Okay.
I love spicy food. Yeah, so if I'm in the mood for like Chinese, Thai, then it has to be very spicy. Yeah.
Okay. One thing that makes you nervous.
Well, I get nervous when I know that my parents might be disappointed in me for something. That really makes me
Hmm?
nervous, and they're the only ones who can switch my mood from up to down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When it comes to fitness, do you prefer eat everything and work out or follow the diet?
I think eating everything is very important, but moderation is important. You shouldn't overeat in one meal and then say that, oh, now I can't eat in the other meal. So eat everything, but eat in moderation and eat in few hours. That way your energy level is also sustained and you don't feel guilty, and you can, you know, eat what you like. If you're eating less, then I don't think it really matters.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is
Yeah.
fitness to you?
Fitness to me is feeling good. It's not about, you know, what the other person feels. Sometimes you feel, acha, why should I work out? Abhi to, you know, lockdown hai, I'm not going to see anyone. But the thing is, you're going to feel good. You're going to feel healthy, and you're going to probably enjoy eating your next meal guilt free. And, you know, you're going to feel like you did yourself a favor. So
Mm-hmm.
it's just a self-love kind of thing, you know. Fitness is more about being comfortable in your skin. It's not about showing it to anybody else, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay. One fitness tip that you would give to your fans.
Like I said, guys, eat everything, but eat in moderation. Like,
Mm-hmm.
don't suppress your desires, but also don't overindulge. And if you ever overindulge, then just work out a little extra, because life is short, you know. Like, you gotta eat the dessert. It's fine. It's okay.
एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली। आप लास्ट में व्यूवर्स को क्या मैसेज देंगे अपनी तरफ से, क्योंकि आप तो काफी अच्छे से मुझे लग रहा है कि पूरी तरह से क्वारंटाइन का पूरा लुत्फ उठा रही हैं, जिस तरह से केकिंग बेकिंग के बारे में आपने बताया और भी चीजें आपने बताई। तो क्या लगता है व्यूवर्स को क्या कहेंगी? गाना भी काफी ज्यादा पसंद किया गया, तो क्या कहेंगी?
Guys, thank you so much firstly for loving the song and for continuously giving me your support. And secondly, guys, कुछ भी ऐसा कीजिए जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, और जो चीज क्रिएटिव भी है और आपको इस लॉकडाउन के बाद हेल्प करेगी, यू नो। ट्राई कि आपको जो भी स्किल या ऐसी कोई भी चीज थी जो आप करना चाहते थे, if it's photography, you can take photography courses. If it's something related to economics, finance, like my brother, he's young, he's going to go to college, he wants to do a business, so he's, you know, looking up in that. Whatever you guys like, just try to gain more knowledge about that, because now we have ample time, there's no pressure, so aap interest ke sath karenge, and yeah, that will keep you going, and then you won't feel ki itna time hai and all of that, you know. You will feel like you're doing something and there's a goal. So just keep your mind creative and stop thinking about ye kab khatam hoga, because we don't know ye kab khatam hoga.